Hi everyone, I am William, and I want to talk to you about Cash for Share. In Cash for Share, you can earn money from school, work, or even the comfort of your own home. Just type cashforshare.co in your mobile browser. Can you see the address? That's cashforshare.co. Very well, now this is the main page. We can scroll down and have a look at a very simple explanation of how Cash for Share actually works. Now scrolling back up, we can sign up or log into our account. Now, this is the dashboard. We can see the amount of clicks, the amount of referrals, and also the amount of tasks we have already completed. Now, this referral link will get you $2 every time someone clicks on it and $25 every time someone creates their account or signs up using that link. Now, you can send that link in a very different amount of ways. You can use Twitter and many more different social media platforms. It doesn't really matter which one you use, it's only important that you share it with your friends and that they create their accounts. Now let's go on to the task wall. Now, in this task wall, you can see a lot of different options or a lot of different offers or tasks that you can complete for $50 each. That's right, every single one of these tasks is worth $50. Now that's a lot of money. Let's go ahead and complete one of them. Now let's see the instructions, and it says that we have to download and install this app and run it for 30 seconds. Okay? So let's install it. Let's go on to the App Store and click on Download. Norton Secure VPN and Proxy VPN. Yep, let's download that one. And let's do one more task, because I want to show you guys it's very simple, very easy, and very fast. Each of these tasks won't take you more than 10 minutes. And that is guaranteed, okay? Let's download CyberGhost VPN and Wi-Fi Proxy. So that's the second app that we're going to download for the second task. Let's go on the first one. Norton VPN. Okay, so as you guys already know, we only have to stay inside the app for about 30 seconds, and that should be enough. So let's just stay inside the app. We can start a trial or sign in, but we don't really care about that because we have already done the 30 seconds. Okay? Now on to the second one. I am going to type in my email. I'm just typing it. Okay. At gmail.com. After that, I'm going to create a password. Very quickly, okay. Then retype it, repeat it. And that's enough. Okay. Now we have already done about 30 seconds as well, so we are pretty good, we are clear, we are done with the two tasks. Now guys, remember, every task is worth $50, so we have done two, so that means we have already gathered $100 in less than 10 minutes. Now, isn't that so easy? Isn't that so fast and so cool also? Now, there is a lot of other different ways in which we can get money with Cash for Share, okay? And I want to show you some of them, besides also, obviously, doing the tasks from the task wall. So I want to show you a few of them, for example, the YouTube submission and the Facebook post. So let's go ahead in the dashboard, check on the menu, and show you, let's see, YouTube post. Okay. Now, this is a very simple task. You only have to create a video talking about Cash for Share and naming it this title. Cashforshare.co, make legit money online on social media with Cash for Share. And you get $50. Isn't that amazing? And also we can do a Cash for Share related post. And that is the content you have to create. Okay? You only have to copy and paste it and post it in your wall. It's that simple. Over here, we can see the referral link, and in here, you can send that link to your friends in any way, shape, or form that you want. Now, I can also cash out from the dashboard into my PayPal account, but it also works with Venmo, Bitcoin, and other different sorts of payment, okay? So guys, go ahead, get your money and have some fun.